I'm Grace,
And I'm Ryan.
and we're here today at the Little Holding in Somerset, and we're going to cook up a dish for you today. What are we cooking?
We're going to cook our own variation of al pastor pork with this lovely pork from Piper's Farm. Kind of like a pork kebab on some sourdough flatbreads and with a nice chive yoghurt and some pickled rhubarb. So I'm going to make a simple marinade for the pork, just salt, pepper and cider vinegar. Finally slice the pork and marinate it for a couple of hours. I'm then going to start making the sourdough flatbreads. Mix the sourdough starter with the flour and some water and leave that for a couple of hours to rise. While I'm waiting for all that, I'm going to start pickling some rhubarb, also in some cider vinegar. So rhubarb picked from our garden. Put all the meat onto a skewer and then cook it over the fire slowly. While it's on the fire, I'll rotate it around and slowly carve meat off into some simmering onions, just to keep it all warm while the rest of the meat cooks. Make some yogurt dip to go on the flatbread as well. So I'll mix the yogurt with some chive. Then when the dough's risen enough, I'll make it into flat discs and then cook that over the fire to make a nice flatbread. And then I'll put it all together to make a lovely al pastor style flatbread meal.